Hey. This looks so cool, my brother. But I speak Philippines. It's okay. I speak English too. Look at this. So realistic. It's real, but it's real. Look.
Tumulong ka muna, Angelo. Lakan. Tumulong mo na kasi ang daming gamit.
Oh.
Tulong.
Eh, swimming ako agad. Ay, hindi pala ako swimming. Chicken.
Ito, 500. Yung ganito, 500 din. Yung ganan, 2,000. Yung ganyan,
Blah.
yung may kwarto.
Yung nandun sa may food, 800. Yung table din, yung may dito.
Dito sa may bungat.
Yung unahan.
800 po.
Sige, sige. Ano, dito na lang? O dito?
Pumesto na lang po kayo. At mamay lalapit yung kolektor.
Wala na lang.
Bahala ka dyan!
Hey, 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 oh, ah. Oh, ikaw? La. Ah, 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 ah.
Stop!
Ba. This is so cool, bro.
Bitay-bitay din. Sobrang ganda! Putek!
Look at this dog. I can swim in there.
Dito, malalim ni Kuya, oh.
Dan ako. I swim there. My brother. Hey, hey, hey.
Mami, gusto ko na ng swimming!
Swimming.
Malalim pa naman mapunta. Hindi na ako lang. Ay!
Paano yan, mami? Oh, this is so cool. Oh, this is dead end. Dead end dyan, dead end. Dead end. Huwag na umakyat, huwag na, nana. Wala naman laman dyan.
Yung denoy na, yung nakakita tayo ng ano.
Na.
Cellphone mo ako, profession natin sa.
Bro, this is so cool, my brother. Goodbye, my brother.